Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to give you a basic tutorial about a ViciDial agent panel. So let's start the video. Okay, so first of all, we have to click on the agent login. Make sure your soft phone is configured. I'm using Zoiper over here. So whichever soft phone you're using, IBM, Xlite, make sure it's configured properly. Then click on the agent login. You can ask these details from your system administrator. So my phone login ID will be this. We have to put the user login details. So this one. Now we have to select the campaign over here. So I'm going to select the test camp, then hit submit. As you can see, I'm getting a call on my soft phone. Click the same thing on your soft phone. You are okay. You should receive that warning that is showing that you are the only person in the conference. You should receive that voice message. That means we have successfully logged in. So right now you can see that it's saying you are paused. So what is this thing? This thing is saying that we are on pause. Calls will not come until we make it active. As you can see, it's saying you are active. So you have to make it active when you want to take calls, and suppose you are going on a break, then you can select it on pause. This is for the recording function. You can click it to record your calls, and also you can stop it from here. This is the waveform. Suppose you have a external CRM or something like that you want to open, so you can configure from here. So this will be configured by your system admin. You can open them from here. This is the park call option. If you want to park someone calls, like you want to put them on hold, so if you park their call, they will not be able to hear you, but they will hear a hold tune if you park their call. And this is for the transfer. If you want to transfer your call to a advisor, then you can transfer it from here. This is for the hang up option. Like if you wanted to disconnect the call, you can do it from here. And this is called DTMF. Suppose you are calling to a company where it's saying that press 1 to reach the self department, press 2 for the support department, press 3 for the HR department, something like that. You can do it from here. So like you can put the key over here, then you can send it, so it will work that way. This is for the manual dial. So let me show you. If I click on the manual dial, you can put the phone number over here. Let's say I'm going to put this one. Let me just copy this number. 1 second. I think uh, okay. Let me just copy this number over here and paste over here. Phone dial code, I have already dialed the country code over here, so you don't have to add it over here. Now if you click dial now, the number will dial, this number will gonna dial. So let's press this. Okay. Okay, as you can see, the internet is connected right now. It's saying that live call, and this is the call duration. I don't have the information right now, but if your system had been loaded the information, you can see the customer title, first name, middle name, last name, address, all the details, whichever they wanted to provide you. You can see all the details over here. As I told you, we can record the call from here. This is for the park, and this is for the transfer. You can put the transfer number over here. Then if you dial this one, dial with customer, then you can make a or create a three-way call. You can leave the expert line, both line, and leave the call from here. So this is for today. If this tutorial find any helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you to another tutorial. Thank you.